Hey guys, welcome to Bite Me Belly. My name is Christina Rose, and you guys are in for a treat today because literally it's a treat. I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious chocolate chip cookies you have ever tried. All right, let's get started.
Let's start off with all the ingredients you need: chocolate chips, flour, sugar, butter, salt, baking soda, and of course the mixer. Start off by browning 1 stick of butter in a small saucepan. It should start to look like this by getting golden and bubbly. Okay, let's check out the bottom. Yep, it's ready.
Okay, we have our brown butter ready. We'll set that aside. Let that cool for a minute. In the meantime, we're gonna measure the other items. Let's get this ready.
So now it's time to separate the eggs. First, we're gonna put 1 whole egg in a bowl. Separate the egg white from the yolk. So we're going to take this out. We're going to do the same thing with the last egg. Only keep the yolk. Now we're going to set this aside. Pour the brown butter into your mixing bowl. Put half a stick of butter in your mixing bowl with the brown butter. Mix together until smooth. 1/4 of a cup of organic white sugar. 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Mix until smooth. Sorry about the weird glitch with my camera, but don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour eggs into mixer. Mix eggs in the mixer at a low speed. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into the mix. Something happened with the recording, but don't forget to add 1 1/2 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Mix all together at a low speed. Make sure all ingredients are nice and smooth. Put 1 cup of chocolate chips. Pour into the mixer.
Our mixture is ready, looking beautiful and gooey to be put in the oven. I'm gonna use my ice cream skewer because I don't have a cookie skewer. We're gonna put this beautiful mixture in the oven.
Put in the oven at 375 for 8 or 10 minutes, depending on how gooey you like it.
Okay, it's time for the big reveal. The delicious, delicious cookies. Look how gorgeous this came out. Can't wait to try it. They smell decadent. Yeah. You need to try to make these at home because these are the best cookies you'll ever try.
I can't help myself, they're so good. Okay, 1 more. Bye-bye.